Assistant, see if you can find Spidey and all of his friends. You will need to look really hard to find all of the toys.
Santa said he left a bunch of Spidey surprises in Christmas Town. Let's go find them.
And we've got somebody helping us. Waffles, she's wearing her new coat, right?
And Wiggles!
And Wiggles, he just wants to play in the leaves.
Wiggles!
Assistant, behind you, I see something. I think our first Spidey surprise.
Whoa! I want to drive us into the pile of leaves.
You think we should drive it into the pile of leaves?
Yeah!
All right, let's see what it does.
Look at the dogs, though.
You guys gonna be surprised. Here it comes. Waffles, you gotta watch out for Spidey's car.
Whoa.
Oh, look!
Oh!
It's a Dino, Spidey's Dino driver. Oh, that's a cool surprise, too.
So awesome.
Santa hid it in the leaves. Oh, it's got a little dinosaur. Look at that, that's the new Wiggles. It's got a cage and all kinds of cool stuff, right?
Right.
But, wait a minute. Waffles wants you to drive the car into the leaves again. Wiggles is chasing her. Here it goes.
Woo!
Good job. All right, Wiggles, it's coming for you. You better watch out.
Awesome!
So that is our... Wait a minute, assistant. Should we have it go down the slide?
Yeah!
All right, you take it up. Let's take it up the slide. So this is our special outdoor slide.
Look who's up there!
Wait a minute.
Spidey.
That's Miles Morales, isn't it?
Yes!
We found Miles Morales, so we're going to put Miles Morales here by your house. That's our first member of Spidey and his Amazing Friends.
Ready?
Oh, do you think it's a good idea, people at home? Oh,
Whoa!
what's Wiggles doing? He's digging in the leaves.
There might be some treats in there.
Could be.
Ta-da!
All right, we'll come back to the Spidey in a little bit, right? But we got to
Right.
keep looking.
Yeah.
So where should we go next?
Into the Playhouse.
Okay. It's kind of dark in there.
I'll turn on the light.
Good idea.
Here we go.
We're inside the Playhouse.
And
Let's see. Do we see anything in here?
up on the loft.
Oh, look! It's like a stretchy.
It's Stretchy.
Oh, he's got orbs in it, right? Oh. Look out! What you're stretching it.
Oh,
Oh, that's awesome.
pretty crazy.
So that is Hulk, right?
Hulk smash. Yes. We gotta keep looking though.
All right.
Maybe let's head back to the house.
Okay, so we'll go back outside. So Miles Morales was right here on the front porch. Wiggles is looking for the treats.
I think he found.
Waffles, what do you think? You know what? You're a good girl, Waffles. We're going to give you a treat. There you go. There you go.
Good job, Wiggles.
Wiggles, do you want a treat too? Wiggles wants a treat too. Here you go.
There you go, buddy.
Good job. All right, well, let's go back to finding Spidey and his amazing friends.
Okay.
Anything in here?
Oh, look! Stretchy Spidey.
Oh, it is a stretchy Spidey. Let's take him out so people can see him. It's kind of hard to see red inside red.
Oh my gosh. Grab this arm too. Grab this arm too.
All right, we're gonna see how stretchy.
I don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go.
Look at, look. Oh my gosh, Spidey! Oh, hi. Oh,
So stretchy.
he is super stretchy.
Okay, wait. Grab those two.
All right, so I'm gonna grab his arms and his leg. Move to your left a little bit, all right? See, leave this. Look at how much he's stretched. Oh, he might be tearing though too.
Where?
Right there by the spider on his back.
Oh yeah.
That's okay. Why don't we put him on the fence for now? And we're going to keep on looking.
Okay. Mickey and Minnie.
Mickey and Minnie.
Oh! Looks like Spidey-Rex might have fallen down while listening to tunes.
Oh, it's Spider-Rex. He was next to Mickey.
No.
Oh, wait.
Let's see if Waffles likes him.
Maybe in a minute. She's kind of...
Waffles, come here.
Waffles, you want a treat? Why don't we put a treat in its mouth?
She's on the other side of the fence.
Waffles. Put a treat
Come here,
in
little
Spider-Rex's
girl.
mouth.
Waffles.
Look.
Oh no. Look at this.
There's a treat in Spidey-Rex's mouth. What do you
Grab
think?
it, Waffles. Oh no. No.
You want it?
Here, Waffles.
I think
you can have it.
Oh, we'll just
She's
give it to
offering it to you.
We'll just give it to you. Okay, good job. So you found Spidey-Rex. Good job.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's not the main thing we gotta find.
Nope. What? Black Panther's so close.
Oh, there's Black Panther.
We found him.
We found Black Panther. Oh, I wonder if he was on the roof and maybe slipped. Maybe.
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 Because we need to get a bird's eye view. Panther's eye view.
All right. So we're back in Holiday Town or Christmas Town.
Let's go over here.
Okay.
Oh, Waffles.
Waffle, what are you doing there? All right. Let's see what we can find.
Hello, Waffles. Trees. Oh, Spidey. Look,
It
Waffles,
is
it's
Spidey.
Spidey. Look, up here. Yeah. Say hi.
It's Spidey. Oh, him and
Spidey.
Black Panther are gonna be big buddies.
Let's put them on the rock.
Yeah, let's put them on these rocks over here.
Waffles. Waffles.
Oh, you're gonna see if she can do her trick?
Yeah, Waffles.
Waffle, you gonna do your trick?
Come here. Look right here. Look on the rock. Waffles.
All right, is this to catch the treat?
Oh, I dropped it. Waffles, look up here. Look up here, right? Look, a tree.
Can you jump up on the
A
rock?
tree.
You gotta get on the
Do you want
rock.
the tree?
Yay!
Yay!
Good job, Waffles.
Good job, Waffles.
All right, I'm gonna put one over here. Can you jump over? All right, so here's the treat right here. Let's see if she can jump.
Oh no!
That's not how the trick
You
works.
at least gotta jump up on this rock.
Can you get up there?
She can't reach it.
Okay. Well, we'll take the treat back for now.
Whoa, there you go.
All right. All right, assistant.
Onward! Hulk!
It is Hulk.
Woo!
Whoa, that makes sense because Hulk. So we found Hulk, Miles Morales, Black Panther, and Spidey, right?
Yes, we still have to find more people though.
Why don't we put him over here on the rocks with Spidey? Good job. All right, let's keep looking around.
Go, Waffles.
Here's Santa's workshop.
Monkey bars. In Sam's workshop. Kapow, Spidey!
Oh, it is Kapow Spidey.
Your friendly neighborhood Spidey.
So usually when we find Kapow Spidey, we also find who?
Kapow Hulk.
Kapow Hulk. So we're over by Snoopy. Oh, yeah, he's like hitting Snoopy's hot chocolate.
Bag. Punching bag.
Okay, I guess that's... Why your foot?
Down there. Kapow Hulk.
Oh, you ready to have a Kapow-a-thon?
Yeah. Quick shot. Woo, I think Spidey's winning.
It's hard for me to do it with one hand.
Woo, Waffles, let's see if she likes it.
Waffles, you like Kapow Hulk? I don't think she's very impressed.
Nah, she even yawned.
All right, no Kapow Hulk. Is there anything else over there?
I don't think so.
I don't know if we looked all the way around because there's a tree and there's a snow globe. Here's a crooked tree.
Yeah, I don't think anything's up here.
And then here's our Christmas castle, right?
Waving Santa.
Hi, Santa. Wait a minute. No, Hulk! Don't do that, Hulk! No, it's Santa Claus! You guys are ready to be on the naughty list. Alright, let's go, Wasp. So we gotta keep looking because there's other places to go. Why don't we put Kapow Hulk and Spidey on the rock?
Right there.
So they're gonna go right there. Alright. Now where do we go?
Well, we've checked all the way on the inside, so now we have to check the outside.
Oh, good idea.
Sweet. Woo!
Oh, that looks like fun.
Oh, too bad there's not leaves right here, or else I could jump into them.
Maybe we'll do that for another video a different time. What do you think?
Yeah, okay, let's keep looking.
Let's keep it. So here's Santa and all his reindeer.
What?
That looks like the trash.
I think Iron Man was riding one of the reindeer
Oh,
and
maybe
fell
he was
down.
Maybe he was helping the reindeer pull the sled. Maybe Santa had a lot of presents.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Oh, wait, here's Waffles. Waffles, you coming?
Waffles, come on! What's it here? Look, what's it here?
You coming, Waffles?
He doesn't really like when you kick me.
Is that not your favorite thing, Waffles?
Ooh,
Wiggles! Where'd Wiggles go?
he's over there behind the house.
All right. Let's keep looking around because we haven't found Spidey Bling yet, have we?
No, we haven't.
So here's Santa on his. Oh, Santa, you got leaves on your face, buddy. Giant. Is there something in his back?
Spidey, Gwen, we found everybody.
Found everybody. Okay, should we take the Spidey vehicle and have it jump in the leaves again?
Yes.
Wiggles! Wiggles! Wiggles can't hear as well as he used to be able to.
See him?
I see him behind us. Wiggles, I got it! One treat now. Alright, assistant, aim it right toward me. Here it comes. Whoa! Oh, ow! I ran into it! Back through the leaves! Alright, back into the leaves. One more time. Super cool. Alright, assistant, so we found all the surprises from Spidey, right? Or from
Right.
Santa.
Yes, we found all the surprises.
So what should the people hope you know?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Great job, assistant. I knew that I could count on you.